Hi Cancer! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a love reading. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, pwede nyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. At nakakakuha kayo ng dagdag na mensahe or messages for you. Thank you, Cancer. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Tingnan natin kung anong nangyayari sa inyong love relationship or romantic situation, Cancer. Cancer. Okay? Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect sa inyong love relationship and romantic situation. Anong nangyayari? Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. At the bottom of the deck is the Devil. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you are engaged in unhealthy relationship or toxic relationship. A situation na hindi mabuti para sa inyo. Okay. This is for some of you. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you are obsessed in the situation or maybe with this person. Maybe you are dealing with an ex. Okay. Na merong hindi kayong magandang pinagdaanan, okay? Or hindi magandang experience mo sa kanya. So, maybe there is merong kind of attachment or obsessive attachment, okay? Obsession. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Or some of you, you're thinking about your future. Kung anong mangyayari sa inyong relationship. You want stability. Okay? You want to have a stable na love partner. Okay? Yeah. Yung merong commitment na masasabi. Yung something solid. Okay? Eight of Swords. You are losing faith about it. Parang nawawalan kayo ng pag-asa. Hindi kayo ganun ka-confident. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are expecting the worst. Oh, hindi maganda. So, Temperance, you have to manage your emotions well. So, kailangan balanse ang iyong utak or isip at saka yung emosyon. Okay? And be patient sa nangyayari sa inyong situation. Okay? You are protected. Yeah, maybe you are protected from the Devil. Okay, card. Yeah. Listen to your intuition. Think what is good for you or what is best for you. Okay. Page of Wands. Tingnan natin. Bakit may Page of Wands from your person? Yeah, King of Swords. Yeah, your person wants to communicate with you. Maybe a phone call or a text message. Parang gusto niya mag-send sa inyo or kamustahin ka. Okay. Gusto niyang sabihin sa inyo kung anong nangyayari sa kanya. What is the truth in his or her situation. Okay. Gusto niya makipag-communicate. Yeah, Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, siguro this person gusto niya tingnan kung magkaroon pa ba ng pag-asa about sa inyong dalawa. Okay? He or she wants to know how you feel about the relationship or about sa connection ninyong dalawa. Okay? Ace of Pentacles. Bakit may Ace of Pentacles? Page of Cups. Yeah, gustong makipag-usap ng person ninyo sa inyo. Okay? He or she wants to open a communication. Okay? With you. Yung maayos or warm na conversation with you. Okay? The Sun. Okay? Yeah, gusto niya makipag-ayos sa inyo. Okay? Or maybe this person has a child. Okay? Yeah. Okay? Parang merong gustong ayusin, no? Yung person ninyo sa inyo, that's why gusto niyang makipag-usap. May gusto siyang sabihin or express and communicate with you. Okay? Maybe this person wants to have a commitment or a relationship with you. Okay? And wants to have a child with you. Nine of Swords. Just take what resonates for you, Cancer. Yeah. For some, gusto niyang humingi ng forgiveness. Okay? Yeah. Forgiveness or ano yung best na course of action na pwede ninyong gawin kayong dalawa about sa connection or sa relationship ninyo. Knight of Swords. Three of Cups. Okay? But your person is worried about someone. Three person. Okay? Or third party. Yeah. Maybe this person has another family or has a family. Okay? Maybe he or she has a primary family or relationship. That's why this person is having Knight of Swords. Okay? Nagwo-worry siya. May anxiety. Okay? Dahil wala siyang magawa sa kanyang sitwasyon. Yeah, Nine of Cups. Okay? Gusto niya makipag-meet sa inyo, but then there is no way. Parang hindi pwede. Parang merong restriction. Okay? Yeah. Or maybe your person also wants to communicate with you kung ano yung truth about sa situation niya. Okay? And it is something na problema. Okay? Magiging problema sa inyong relasyon or sa inyong connection. Okay? Page of Pentacles. Ace of Wands. Okay? Cancer, meron kang mga bagong opportunity na tinatahak, most especially in your career, sa inyong trabaho, when it comes to your creativity. Okay? Yeah, you're doing well sa work and in your finances. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, maybe when it comes sa work, nag-uumpisa ka pa lang. Okay, Page of Pentacles. There is a lot to learn about sa work mo, sa trabaho mo, nakafocus ka sa work mo, sa career. Negosyo man to, okay? Or, yeah, about sa creativity mo, something like that. Yeah. And for some of you, Cancer, you want to meet this person as in physical meeting. And Ace of Wands, this is about sexuality. Okay. Spark. Yeah. Parang hot flirtation, something like that. That's why you want to meet this person. This is for some of you. Okay? You want to date this person. You want to go out with him or her. Okay? Ace of Wands. Yeah, Six of Pentacles. Yeah. So, you want his attention and time. Parang gusto mo na yung attention ng tao na to ibigay sa inyo. Okay? Yeah, there is two also. Two. So, maybe the person that you're dealing with is dealing with another situation or another person. Okay? Five of Cups. Bakit may Five of Cups? The Star. Okay. Yeah. So, yung problem or yung concern mo about this person is that maybe your person has already made a decision, okay? And you feel na baka siguro nakalimutan ka na niya, okay? You are worried about this. You are sad, okay? It's like, yeah, you feel, parang feeling mo nakapag-desisyon na ang person ninyo and wala ka na sa equation. Something like that, Cancer. Okay? You are also sad, or your person is sad because hindi siya makapag-decide para sa inyo or hindi siya maka-choose between you and the other person. Cancer. Okay? Just take what resonates for you, or sometimes it's the other way around. Baliktad yung situation. Six of Swords. Anong kalalabasan na yung situation? Yeah, two of Cups. So, I think you are moving on in your situation. You will be moving on in your situation. Okay? Maybe a separate ways. Yeah, Knight of Swords. Yeah. For some of you, parang ilalayo mo na yung isip mo. You will be, parang ititigil mo na yung sarili mo, titigilan mo na yung kakaisip sa taong ito or about sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Ititigil mo na yung obsession. You are moving towards calmer waters. Okay? Gusto mo ng peace of mind. Okay? Yeah. King of Pentacles. Yeah, Six of Wands. So, siguro focus ka sa work mo or sa creativity mo, okay? Be smart and be wise. Choose yourself. Cancer. Yeah, King of Cups. Maybe there is another person in your case sa side or sa part mo, okay? maybe you will be giving your attention to this King of Cups. Maybe this is a water sign, okay? Maybe a Scorpio. Yeah. So you will choose stability, a stable connection. Okay. So I think based on your energy sa reading na to, it is wise, it is best for you to pursue this another person, the King of Cups. Okay. And continue on your work. Because you are doing well when it comes to your creativity, sa skills mo to, or sa trabaho. Okay. Cancer. Tingnan natin. I'm so attracted to you. This is hidden truths from your person. Okay. You and I were too young. Okay. I want you. Okay. That is some truths from your person. Let's see. Additional message for Cancer. Cancer. Okay, sexual union. Honor the place in one another where you are one external soul, for there you will find true bliss. Okay, so Cancer, this is the message for you. All the best sa inyong relationship. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!